Hey guys, this is Ian from Technologies. This is GWI. Now you know how. I'm the product owner of our research technologies. And if you haven't already had a look at our awesome SA Social Stats Snapshot, highly recommend. It's got some incredible insights on consumers in South Africa, different trends and behaviors ranging across a wide spectrum. And this data is all taken from GWI. Now, GWI is one of my favorite platforms. I use it literally on a day-to-day basis. And I'm going to quickly show you why it's one of my favorite platforms, a bit about the data and some cool features in the platform. So it's really an on-demand research tool. You don't have to wait for your research to come back or really waiting for teams on the ground to do the research. It's a global research technology that sends out a number of surveys globally, 54 different markets around the world, almost 1 million annual sample size, done 4 times a year in 4 different quarters, 50,000 profiling points, 5,000 different brands, and almost 3 billion internet users it represents because the data is weighted. So I'm going to jump into the platform now and show you why it's one of my favorite tools and some really cool aspects you can do within the tool itself. In this example, I'm going to go straight onto the homepage here. You can see there's a really cool AI feature here. I can really ask a question. I'm going to use this as an example. Stay-at-home moms, I'm going to add in South Africa in 2024. How do they find stay-at-home moms? How do they find new brands in 2024? And if I click enter, it's then going to produce a couple of different charts and information. Straight off the bat, it's selected South Africa, employee stay-at-home moms, and I can see a couple of the different features around how they find brands. To jump ahead, audiences is where you start, and the platform is so easy to use in the fact that you can literally drag and drop like Lego, and this makes it really easy by just removing or adding different attributes. It's super simple to create an audience that represents your ideal customer persona literally within minutes. You can choose the waves, the locations, save that audience, and obviously you can see the audience sample size here changing as obviously you change the different attributes. If I wanted to add some attributes or change, I can easily do that as well. You can see I'm adding semi-regular. I've got an audience of charity lovers over here, and straight away that audience has started to grow. Maybe I change it to an all statement, so they either donate or they are interested in volunteering. Once I've got this audience, I can get some really cool instant insights from that audience and understand that audience. But even from those instant insights, I can even go further into diving more around their behavior in the chart section. So from this, let's say I go jump into the charts. I've got a couple of audiences that I'm comparing against each other. Here I've got glamour seekers, McDonald's buyers, Audi owners, and female phone gamers. And I've got some different metrics here to understand that audience better, both the percentage of the audience, but also the indexing compared to your base audience. I can go through the entire taxonomy here just on the left-hand side, making it really easy to really find the information I want, understand the audiences that I want, compare audiences, competitors, brands, etc. I can also segment this data by any means, whether it be age groups, generations, income brackets, to further understand the nuances of the segments of that particular audience. On the side here, maybe I want to go from understand their different marketing touch points and their online user journey and how maybe they interact with different online brands in the last month, or what are the online purchase drivers, right? I can see all these different audiences, hide them, remove them, add other ones super simply by literally just a couple of clicks. And you can see here, these are the different audiences and how they compare. I can add all my different audiences and charts into Bespoke Dashboards, where I'm really taking a deeper dive and putting all the information together in one unified space. Here you can see a couple of different audiences along the top and a variety of information from their demographics through to interests, purchasing power, price sensitivity, you name it. So you can probably add it in here. And this is why I love GWI. It's the best tool to really understand consumers, add the nuances, segment data, and that's You Know How with GWI. Now you know how. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day further. Cheers.